day, for the celebration of the famous writer Hanex Messenger, we congratulate your community of Bohini.
Greetings from Sardinia.
Hi, from Turkey, Sumer Secondary School. We are very glad to attend this event far from your country and city, but we are here to celebrate your National Day. We hear your sounds that you're with us too. Congratulations, Bohinj.
Seni больше. Поздравляю из Романии.
We're honored that we got a chance to celebrate this event with you guys and that you decided to share it with us. It's indeed a great experience and we hope everyone will have as much fun and joy as we had while being able to experience it together with you, all even from far away.
Hello everyone, we are Matei and Vlad from Romania. Our team wants to wish you happy celebration in regards with the wonderful event that your school is celebrating about Johannes Menchinger. While reading about his creation, we discovered that he was a very important personality in the 18th century, while his storytelling books, even today, open a door to everyone's hearts.
Our school also celebrates Joe Bogza, an important personality for our country, along with his books about literature. It's indeed a wonderful event to celebrate and we hope you all are proud of it along with all the other traditions you have. Hope you all will have a wonderful day full of new and fun activities.